So, welcome to my channel. My name is Shailesh Bhatt, and my website's name is www.webreg.in, webreg.in. Today, I will show you how to start a web hosting business without any investment. There are no hidden charges. So, the first step in starting a web hosting business is finding a reliable reseller hosting service. There are many websites that are online that are reliable, like GoDaddy, Enom, and these are very big websites. So the thing today I will tell you is how to start a web hosting business without any investment. There are many reseller hosting services which charge you around 15,000 rupees or around $300 per year to start your own web hosting business. But today I am going to tell you about how to start a web hosting business without any investment. So the first step, I will take you to the Google, and the first step what you have to do is go to the link in the description of this live stream, or you can see the link where you can sign up for a free zero investment web hosting service, that from which you can earn money in dollars, in euros, in Great Britain pounds, etc. So first I will suggest you, if anyone is online and viewing this live stream, to go to the link in the description and sign up for zero investment web hosting reseller account. So now I'll show you the link. When you visit this link in the description and on the screen of this video, you will be redirected to a link called resellerspanel.com. Please make sure you visit this link that I have given in the description, or that is displayed on the video. When you visit this link, you will be redirected to this page whose name is resellerspanel.com. Now you have to sign up for the free web hosting reseller account. You'll have to enter your regular email. If you are using a Gmail, it's better. You have to give your details like country, first name, last name, address 1, address 2, city, province, pin code or zip code, postal code, and contact number. After you sign up for this form, you will get an activation email in your email account that you have given while signing up for this form. The next step is activating your account. Go to your email account and click on the link to activate your web hosting account. So after you have activated your account, log in using your username password that have been given to you in the email ID. After logged in to this reseller panel account, you will be redirected to this dashboard. In this dashboard, you can see this is the control panel where you can either buy domain, web hosting services for your clients if you are a web developer or software developer. You can check the number of active clients, the number of active customer domains, domain expiring in next 30 days, your best selling hosting plans, best selling hosting services. The third step is creating your web hosting website. So go to the left side and where you see my store, click the link below called create a new store. Click on new store. You will be asked to enter store name. You can enter any name you like keep live. I'll be entering keep live as a store name, and you can enter stored brand also like keep live. You can choose in which currency you want to be paid after someone purchases web hosting services through your website. By default, USD is selected. Click on continue store setup. Select any of the 5 data centers where you want to host your web hosting reseller account. By default, it's USA. So I'll select UK, that is United Kingdom. If you want, you can start a website in your own name by adding domain name URL in this tab called set a default store domain. Now if you don't want to host your own domain, then click on create store. Now you can see it's displayed you have successfully created your new store. You can visit it here. You can also see the store settings that are given: store name keep live, store brand keep live, data center Fulsant UK, store currency USD, store language English. Now when you click on the link in here, you will be redirected to your new or brand new web hosting free no investment web hosting reseller account or website. You can give this link to any of your friends, relatives, or any of your clients so that they can register their own domain web hosting account for their use. Now whenever someone purchases through this link, you will get a commission of around $3 per web hosting and domain, and is the value is credited to your reseller panel account. Now how to get paid after someone has purchased a website, domain or web hosting from them? For that, you have to go to my store quick store settings. Now in quick store settings, you can see the store name is Keep Live, store brand is Keep Live, and there is an option change payment details that is given here. There are 4 payment options. First is PayPal, second is check, third is bank wire transfer, fourth is wallet. The PayPal, if you want to get your money, the money you have earned to your bank account, then you can go for PayPal international payment processor. So what you have to do is go to paypal.com, sign up for the PayPal account, create the account in PayPal, and share the PayPal email ID here in the PayPal email section, so that your money earned or the commission earned is sent to your PayPal account, and then the payment is transferred to your bank account after that. Second is check. If you don't have bank, if you don't want to get the money transferred through electronic form, you can go for check. The minimum threshold value for check is $100. For bank wire transfer is $500, and the wallet is where you can save your money. If you don't want to get paid in your bank account, but you want to use the same money to do some other purchases in your reseller account, then you can select the wallet, and when you select wallet, the money you have earned will be credited to your wallet, and from there you can make more transactions, you can buy more domains, web hosting services, etc. So after doing these settings, now there is a section called My Offers. Click on All Offers. In this My Hosting Offers, you can see, you can create your own hosting plan. You can increase or decrease your retail amount or charges for your web hosting services. There are many services. For example, you can give shared hosting service. Second is you can give semi-dedicated service. Third is you can give VPS service to your clients. So to edit this, you just have to change these values, and now you are set to start your business with your new link, where you can see your own website, that is your own zero investment free reseller hosting account. So click on the visit store, and finally you can see your website has been created for free. There are no hidden charges that you have to give. Only that there is one thing, the PayPal processor deducts 2.5 US dollars as processing charge plus some percentage. So now you can go to your domain and you can share this link. The link that you can see, keeplive.duoservers.com, is your web hosting reseller website that you can share with your clients, with your friends, with your relatives who want a web hosting service. So now that you sign up for the resell account, go ahead and venture yourself and see more settings that you can make changes to. And this is how we start a web hosting business with zero investment. So this is it. So signing off. Let us meet in the next episode or next session. Even if you have logged out to your account, you can still access your domain, your web hosting link, by keeping in mind the brand name you have added in the reseller panel account. Like we had added keeplive.duoservers.com. So this is how we start a web hosting business for free. Bye.